Everyone, so today we are here to conduct experiment in our lab. As you are well known about the subject and lab, this is strength of materials laboratory. The name itself suggests we are testing the material regarding its different strengths, meaning thereby what are the different properties of materials. So in this lab, in all the experiment, different properties of the material we are studying. By making particular specimen for one experiment, we conduct so many experiments. For example, hardness test, toughness test, tension test on mild steel, tension test on cast iron, shear test, and like compressive test. So this is the different type of test we are conducting in this laboratory. Today we will study about the experiment tension test on mild steel. Similarly, one more is there, tension test on cast iron. Before that, I will introduce the machine which you can see behind me. So this whole setup is known as universal testing machine, popularly known as UTM. So it has two units. Let us have some information about the machine itself. You can see there are two units. This one is known as control unit and this one is known as actuating one. It means the specimen is clamped or fitted here in this machine, and whatever activity, whatever the movement of the machine takes place, that happens over this unit. So how does it work? I would like to tell you about the function of this machine. It means construction and working. Within next 1-2 minutes, we will have the information about the machine itself. So this unit known as control unit, you can see this is a dial known as load dial. From this we can see what is the load displayed here. There are two indicators, red and black. The black indicator is connected with the actual system and it reflects, it imparts the information about the load. And the red one, this indicator acts as a reader. It does not participate in the actual functioning of this load dial.
Correct.
And the graduations are made like this. The capacity of this machine is 40 ton, 40 metric ton, 40,000 kg of 40,000 kg force is the maximum capacity of this machine. And this is analog system. This is not digital one. Analog means it is with the help of either pneumatic or hydraulic system. In this machine, hydraulic system is there. Means power developing medium is hydraulic fluid. Where this is? So behind this panel, there is a door which opens. I will show you it after a little while. And there is a sump like this, about 10 to 12 liter of capacity. It is fitted with reciprocating pump driven by motor and belt driven is there. So with the help of that, the hydraulic fluid which is filled up with that sump, that acts as a medium to develop the pressure, and consequently that is the load delivered. And there are 4 tubes here connected with this system. These 4 copper tubes is connected with the sump where reciprocating pump is there. Out of these 4 tubes, one is on pumping line, another 3 tubes are for the return one. Means we cannot let the air to be wasted. The system is closed one. Once the pumping is started, fluid goes to this system. What is the system for? This consists of, you can see, 3 beds, upper choke and lower bed, and this one is middle jaw. So between these two jaws, the specimen is
Please show the specimen, sir.
This is the specimen
Yeah.
for tension test and mild steel.
Yeah.
This portion have different diameter, you can see, and the in between these portion, which is turned a lower diameter, it is about 60 millimeter.
Yeah.
And the end connection is of about 20 millimeter.
Yeah, yeah.
So this is inserted in this upper jaw and into the lower jaw.
Yeah.
So it is held vertically like this.
Yeah, yeah.
Before clamping this, I will give some information about the machine. And this is, the whole system is rested over a ram which is below this.
Yeah.
And when the actually pump is started, motor is started, the fluid going to pump into this system.
Yeah.
With the help of that pressure,
Ram
the whole
moves up.
assembly, yes,
Yeah.
I will show you.
Yeah, yeah.
The whole assembly lifted up. I would like to show that. Before that, we have to start the pump. These are the four switches: up, down, on, off. So with the help of switch on, you may hear that pump is started. There are two valves, left and right side. The right one is pumping valve.
Acha, acha.
When we just open this valve, it means the fluid has started pumping into this system.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And this is closed.
Close. Acha.
So what will happen by closing this valve? It is not
Coming back.
coming.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Means the fluid which is pumped already will not come back.
Come back.
So that has to circulated inside the
Inside.
jacket which is below this bed.
Yeah.
And after that, that is having the ram. You can see, I will try to show this in video. When we close this and this is started,
Just
the movement due to pressure, if you see carefully, now this has started to moving up, and below this there is a leather bellow which I am holding with the help of my two hands.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And below this,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You
very
can see.
white color cylindrical
Yeah,
piece
yeah,
is
yeah.
there.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
is known as RAM.
RAM. Yeah.
And its MOC, material of construction, is
Yeah.
stainless steel 316.
316.
That is very high grade of stainless steel.
Austenitic stainless steel, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is corrosive resistance.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Corrosion
sir.
resistance.
Yes, sir.
Right, right.
So the whole assembly
So,
is rested over this.
so now that system is lifting up.
Yes, the
And,
whole system is
yeah,
lifting
and,
up.
and it is connected to this one actually.
Correct.
This is not the lead screw,
Yes.
but it is the it is not the square threaded screw, but it is the another bridge, that is
Correct.
this one, right?
So with the help of these two,
Yeah.
no one cross head.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
system is known as cross head to ruler. The upper jaw and the lower jaw.
Lower jaw.
It is interconnected.
And they are pushing up.
Correct.
It means tension is created between these two.
Yes.
Yeah.
So upper jaw, it goes up when this lower bed goes up.
Up.
It means motion of this is dependent on the first one.
Yeah.
At that time, at a particular instant, when the specimen is fixed, this remains stationary.
Stationary.
It
Correct.
means when we actually apply the force to the at the time of testing, what happens? This end tries to go up,
Yeah.
while the lower end of the specimen remains stationary.
Stationary.
remains fixed. It means it is going to apply their
Yeah.
load in upward direction.
Upward direction. And tension.
Yes.
Tension.
And it experiences the tensile load.
Tensile load. Yes.
Similarly, when we have to apply the compressive load,
Yeah.
with the mechanism you can understand very well.
Yeah, you can keep it here.
Yes.
So that when this is lifted up, between this fixed jaw and this is compressed.
Correct.
Correct?
This is how
So it is operating.
operated.
Yeah.
It means when
Just a
you
minute.
have to